got y'all some content out this bit, man. Got some fucking demons. I mean, hellcat. This shit hard. Damn, that shit. This shit hard. This shit hard. Red eye motherfucker. This shit hard as fuck. This shit hard. They don't gotta hear me. 296, daddy.
There's them little things, the hooks on by itself. That's why I look at you like with your shit. If you was to put the hooks on there, the
Hey, bro.
on there, it'd be the chrome.
How long y'all be out here?
Shit, bro. I just came out here to holler at him. Another one of my niggas supposed to be on the way.
Damn,
I'm finna get back in traffic.
Shit, ain't no meat out or nothing?
I mean, probably not, bro. That nigga tree locked up, bro. It ain't been no meat since my nigga tree was locked up.
Tree had everything.
Ain't really been no real coffee, bro.
Y'all ain't got no Instagram, no y'all want to shout out?
Oh yeah, my Instagram, Dream Car Cap.
I bet.
With a K.
You got one?
Yeah, a K.
above_average Joe Show.
Bet.
Free tree, man.
Bet.
Free that boy tree, by the way.
Hell is you doing? This shit hard though, I ain't gonna cap.
Hell yeah.
But it's a red eye too or no?
It's a V6, but he just put the Hellcat in on the side.
Oh man, you ain't knowing that, man.
Nah, his shit different, bro.
This shit like
Real deal demon. Real deal.
Faster than the demon.
I was about to say, yeah. That shit fully built. So this shit ain't no
This
ain't no
nigga got
regular
the
real
demon, I got hell. They being real. Nigga got a demon, I got hell.
let me see what that wine talking about. It be alive.
Yeah.
It be alive. That boy said, and he got good fingers on his toe. Man, they got 30 minutes away and shit. That's get hard.
10% low on that bitch.
That's get tough.
Different filter on there and all that.
This ain't the stock bullet. That's the one with the yellow.
Damn. How much horse you got in that bitch?
950.
You might well call that bitch a demon for real. That bitch. Damn.
They're faster than a demon. A demon off the floor don't have an 808. You gotta get the right fuel. You gotta go buy race car fuel for to get 840. And I got more than 840.
That shit hard.
With nothing. Like on 93, I got 840.
Man, check your ass out, bro. That shit hard.
I ain't even gonna hold you.
Yeah, on 93, I got 838.
So,
On 100 octane, I got 950. Motherfucking ass, bro.
damn, I don't want to leave and come back. It's a 30-minute drive. Huh?
It's our TG,
That be hard. Now you said you don't know how long y'all gonna be out here?
I just, like I said, bro, I just pulled up. I hollered at my boy. I was on 285. He was like, Mom, already. I just hopped on and came on up here. I just fucking off in the city, bro, kicking it, bro. You gonna pick up my dog and kick it.
See, I'm trying to find the car shit. Like, I ain't gonna count.
Custom, that shit 837 on the custom, regular shit.
Damn. Fuck off, man. He should have brought his ass, bro. Y'all ready? Alright. on TV. Shit hard. Got the hellcat, the Ringo. Got that motherfucking fin motherfucker.
G37?
Look at this.
G37?
Yeah. We got the big Hyundai out here, motherfucker. Don't play. That bitch might be a 6-cylinder, but it will gap your ass.
Let's race.
What
My car, let's race.
Who? Who racing? You finna racing?
Yeah, he gonna blow my head. I'm trying to keep holding this.
Murray sit in the cage.
Man.
We'll get back to y'all later on, though.
Alright, we'll be back, man. Like my boy Tree Body said. Man, we back out this bit, man. I'm tired of hell. But you feel me? I'm working. I came out this bit to work for y'all niggas, you feel me? So I'm gonna bring y'all this content. Got a big ass.
But this BMW that's supposed to be racing that.
So this great BMW supposed to race that Camaro.
I don't know, cause I think that bitch a sleeper, bro.
What that is? That's a Celine or that's a regular Mustang?
Could be
I mean, not Celine down. What that shit is? Shelby? I forgot what it is.
That bitch might be a Cobra.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Oh.
Ain't this the same gas station on that video?
Yeah. that nigga was sliding through the gas station?
It may got down hit it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a 5.0.
That's gas station on Back Street.
Who the fuck is
What is it? SA? Oh, this is ZL1 or what this is? Oh, that big got drag tires.
Oh God, that's what I'm saying. So
What the hell?
if you racing that damn BMW, then son gotta be goddamn.
I gotta figure out who car this is. He gotta pump that hood.
That bitch.
And this a wet Z06. What this is? There's so many cars.
I'm ready to just leave, man.
Man.
No.
Go with that.
Hey, that bitch too crazy.
What you heard that? What? That bitch like it running.
That bitch got a cam in that bitch.
Finna go over there and see.
Now there's a car behind that bitch. Ooh.
This be alive. Oh, that be running. That be probably finna pull off. Ran over that bitch.
He probably got at least a stage 3 cam in that bitch.
Right.
Yeah, I know he can, that shit carrying the
Hold on,
fuck
hold
out.
it real quick.
Ooh, wee, you heard that shit? God damn. We out here with B Visuals.
Riding on Moreland.
On Moreland.
I'm tired of here.
Good old fashioned Moreland.
It's Friday night. Your boy done been around the whole ATL trying to find shit for y'all.
For sure.
Then tomorrow, got some more shit. Feel me? So, y'all stay tuned type shit.
For sure.
Don't mind my little bestie.
For sure. I'm boy out here though. Definitely out here. They be right here crazy, bro. Ooh, shit. Five-0. Look at the Camaro.
Is this a Hennessy?
Nigga, you know my car more than you did.
Hey, bro. Y'all finna do it.
Yeah.
I hear a scat. I hear a scat. I hear a scatty somewhere. Oh, there go a cat. Cat. Hey. Going on. That boy.
SS.
This is hard. Oh, that Camaro again. That bit and that cat need a race.
Oh, me. Oh,
My
My
bad.
fault.
you good. I see y'all that leaning.
Yes, very much. Somebody almost ran my toes over. I think I already
Girl.
That's what's it called?
LX3. You got an LX3 in that bitch. Man, that bitch can the fuck out. That bitch too crazy. I'm getting some zoom in. Hey, my boy, that bitch too crazy, bro. What state cans you got in? State. Oh shit! Aggressive. Aggressive. You my boy, you too. My Instagram, my fault. For sure. For sure, bro.
Y'all want that gremlin licking ass nigga to hop on here with y'all? What is M3?
And that Camaro generates, but it's from what it sounds, the black one. But from what it sounds like, the Camaro just beat that cat.
I hear something else, my boy.
That Camaro just, I think that Camaro just beat that cat. So that big.
I would have went home. It be hard. It's our T4, man. And he got slits on the front. It be hard. It be hard too. Y'all go follow these guys, man. That shit crazy.
He just turned up.
You're crazy.
Hey, my boy. Remember when I tried to slide? But when I got down,
They making me want to beam them.
It's a 4.0 in that bitch. V8. He got.
They bought the Tesla. Every time I pop out, it's a Tesla. God.
Okay, hey, that one right there, that's the only one that I consider good. That's the one with
That's
the door.
a plaid.
I don't know if it's a plaid, but
That's the
I don't know
fast
too much
one.
about them bitches.
Ooh, SRT 8. Wait, I don't know. It might be an RT. We don't know.
Oh, that hit. He said. That he said.
No, I know he ain't do that now.
You gotta go get my. Oh no, we already got him. This shit too far though. Don't turbos, bro. You can hit his shit. I don't know.
Fiffin. No! No!
He almost took you out, big visuals.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the Hyundai, man.
Well, he almost took you out, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the Hyundai, man.
Oh man, big visuals. He almost took you out.
Hey, he need to chill.
He gonna hurt himself.
That nigga almost hit the trunk.
Big visuals, he gonna hurt himself.
He gonna hurt himself. Man.
Oh damn, big visuals. Big visuals, I think that boy gonna hurt himself.
That boy finna crash out.
Oh shit, we pray for him.
Heavenly Father.
Baby, we gotta pray for him.
I'm sorry.
You too. You too. My boy, it's like you too.
You too.
We gotta pray for him. We gotta pray for him, bro. We gotta pray for him, bro. How my boy be?
You too.
You too.
It's your boy Quan back here with another video, man.
Yeah. Chill the fuck out. I got the caddy in the cut.
They be probably doing a POV drive right now.
Yeah.
Let me get y'all back right now. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I got some shit going on, man. You too, doing, boy? It's your boy Bird back again. Got all my boys outside, you know. A nigga D out here, finally. We got John and Cut, Mr. Hold It. And we got the LT motherfucker, LT1. It be hard with the rims on that bit. You feel me? This shit hard. Right now I'm in downtown ATL, little cars out there bit. Just trying to get y'all some good content and shit. You feel me? I'm gonna pick up the camera when I figure out what we finna do. Look at that clean shot. So it's just hella car down here right now. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I figure out what we finna do though. Look at that.
Might make you change your mind.
Red rim go crazy, I ain't gonna count.
What do you folks say? Mr. Visuals.
Get them buildings right up, huh?
Hey man.
That shit beautiful, nigga.
Feel me, it's your boy Bird.
Bam.
I'm out here working.
Damn, look, fam, that shit is beautiful.
Look at that shit. Tall ass fucking building right there,
I'm
nigga.
out here working for y'all, boy, man. You feel me? We really wasn't gonna pop out this bitch, but I came out here. I had to beg these motherfuckers to come. I'm trying to get this shit out here for y'all, man. I'm working. I just had for 1K life, bro. You feel me? Get my shit out there. You feel me? I'm working hard for y'all niggas. Yeah, we finna, you feel me? Go ahead and get a little nice little angle. I think that's a scat. No, that ain't no scat. I'm tripping. I just be talking. I be hearing that little feel. like my nigga Tree said, man. Hell is you doing? Free that boy. I'm outside for y'all, boy, man.
We going to the gas station. We going to the gas station. We going to the What he said?
power of that Hemi motherfucker. Oh, look at that Benz in the cut. I know that bitch got some turbo in that bitch or something.
What the hell no?
Why this? Drinking in there for that.
Hit that bitch! Hit that bitch, boy! Knock me out. You might well go to the store. That's why I said. Come on. Oh yeah, they stopped the traffic. Y'all better not. Don't need to fucking do it. Watch out. Watch the fuck out. Yes, sir.
That's it hard. All the donks out there, bit, man. See? They be hard. Oh my God.
Stay on her shit. So you know the whole dog. I heard that bitch got a bitch. On the fine night, she be like she
It's that motherfucker.
do some tricks with her mouth big as you do. I heard Rich on. I heard Gucci. I heard what you hear.
Got that 5.0 motherfucker. Daddy. It's a girl job, baby. That's a TR8. That boy cutting up, right? Chill out, We outside, nigga. This shit crazy, dog. like she finna wheel that bitch.
I got a boy to half away. I'm in the crack house. You ain't never had to grow no paper. You don't know what them licks about.
He green. Oh, here come another one. Watch out.
shit hard. Oh yeah, we outside. We is outside. We got them roots. Yeah, pretty good. Since I moved.
So what we doing, Mario?
We just gotta walk up the street, son.
Let's get across the street here, man. Let's get that means hellcat killer. That's a cat killer, man.
Absolutely nobody. You think the cat does what the he wants? But they go stupid again. She had no proof of the bitch. All that full of bricks. They selling niggas like you and the kid. Traffic bump like this is so sick. So much shit start you and again. Clear it out.
No, we gotta get this footage for y'all. Stop playing. Oh, stop playing. Oh. That look like some shit Johnny would drive right there, on God. Oh, get that bitch!
Look at the back-to-back Tesla. Look at the back-to-back Tesla, man.
I guess y'all don't sit on back-to-back Teslas right there.
I get that one.
I was finna say too, so I got on that bed and started fucking with shit. And me? Oh yeah, I gotta get him. They got the SS Trailblazer. Look at that truck. Ooh. That bitch too clean. That bitch too clean. Bruh. Fuck. We gonna get this footy. The footy. I'm out.
He talking about he want more. He like a.
Come on, y'all. Why we standing right here? I'm recording. We probably be doing the walkthrough. Oh. We gotta get everything. What'd he say?
Outrageous underscore 2.0. One of the best barbers in the city. Outrageous cuts.
We outside. We outside.
I said it's only business I use.
Things on
What is hellcat? I don't know. I can't.
I don't see no hellcat on that bitch. That bitch too hard. Huh? That what?
The Audi motherfucker.
I'm going through all these, fam. Just chill. Huh?
Oh,
You shot at. Gotta get that footage. I ain't missing shit. Oh my god, that bitch so hard. Mustang. That bitch too hard. You sleep. I feel like my boy gonna get sideways in the Mustang. He ready. And that bitch little menu, cause he keep rolling back.
what fucking?
Turn me up. Turn me up, YouTube. We're gonna keep this footage coming for y'all. We gonna keep this footage coming for y'all. We gonna keep. Come on, bro. Get the fuck on, bro.